this is Venkatesh here. Today in this video we are going to see the significance of Kartika Masa, and also we are going to see the making of skylight or Gud Deepa. How to make that? I am going to give demonstration of that. Let's get into the video. Kartika Masa, the 8th month of Hindu calendar, and Panchang is observed most fervently in Karnataka and many parts of India. Kartika Masa is considered the holiest month of the Hindu calendar. This is the most favorite month for both of the supreme gods of Hinduism, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. According to the Hindu mythology, by following the rituals of Kartika Masa and doing pujas in this month, one can attain immense happiness in his life. Further, for Hindus, Kartika month holds immense importance as it is the only month which is dedicated to the worship of both Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu, as also Goddess Lakshmi. In 2021, Kartika Masa begins on 5th November and ends on December 4th as per Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada and Telugu and Goa calendars. Karva Chauth, Aho Ashtami, Tantras, Diwali, Diwali Lakshmi Puja, Govardhan Puja, Anakud, Bhai Dooj, Nakula Chaviti or Naga Chaturthi or Chat Puja, Kartik Ekadasi, Shirabdi Dwadasi, Kartik Purnima and Kartik Somavara. All those are specials during this Kartika Masa. Kartika month coincides with Kartigai Masam in Tamil calendar and also Vrichika Masam in Malayalam calendar. The significance of Holy Kartika month is marked by Deeparadhana and the lighting of the lamps. Hosting such events annually help to protect the prosperity in the family, and also it unites for all of us for a good purpose. A kindle or Gud Deepa or sky lantern is, as it's called by Kannadigas as Gud Deepa. It's a lantern with a wooden framework and covered with colored matte or glossy papers. These lanterns are generally hung in front of the homes during the Hindu festival of lights Diwali. So we used to call this as a lantern of the sky or Akasha Deepa or Gud Deepa in Kannada and in Dakshina Kannada. Hindus in earlier days sets these Akasha Deepa as a gesture to invite the spirit of their ancestors moving around to come back home and be with them during the festival time. Hence the name Akasha Deepa, lantern of the sky, or Akasha Kindli. So now I am going to give you a demo how easily we can prepare Gud Deepa on our own. The things we want is sticks, thread, sellotape, gum, and the color papers and all the hangings, whatever we want as we wish to decorate it. With the help of sticks, we need to initially start with making 2 squares, and after that making 2 squares, we need to connect those 2 squares in all the 4 corners with the 4 sticks to make the frame for that particular Gud Deepa. Once you are done with the frame, then you have to start pasting all the color papers and all, and you have to surround that frame. And after that, as per our interest and as per our own creativity, we can just make lot of designs. We can use different papers and different stickers kind of thing to decorate the Gud Deepa. And whatever you are seeing is the Gud Deepa which I just created in my own creativity. Supported my children, and my daughter prepared small roses, flowers and all. And finally I just completed making of a very simple Gud Deepa. I would not say it is a very great one and all, but simple one. But just to get started, I have prepared this. Just get to know how to do this by seeing this demo video, and you can hang like this in your car parking. And I have given a small lamp pasted in the Gud Deepa, so that daily you can keep the lamp inside that platform, so that it will be easy for you to light the lamp and keep inside. And after that you can tie a rope to that Gud Deepa, and you can hook it in your car parking ceiling, and with the help of a nylon thread, just slowly you can lift daily once you keep the light inside. And again next day, once again when you wanted to keep the fresh light, you can bring down Gud Deepa and you can light a new lamp, and again you can slowly lift and you can tie that rope. Like that you can daily do during the evening puja. It will be very auspicious, and it will be very good for our home. In our home daily we used to lit a small lamp, and after that we will bring the Gudu Deepa down, and slowly we used to keep that lamp inside that Gudu Deepa, in that platform whatever I have created inside the Gudu Deepa, with a mud lamp inside. So we used to keep this lamp inside that mud lamp, and I have connected a hook in the ceiling of the car parking, in which I have inserted a nylon rope, and I have connected one side of the rope into Good Deepa, and another side I used to tie to the fence,